Chai, chai.
अभी लोगों को फीमेल को ज्यादा राइट मिल रहा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सबको मिल चुका है. There are female who still require support. So the whole concept is to support those female, and it is definitely not about denaming men. Men and women are equal, and also just because I say I'm a feminist, I don't have right over men. I don't have any given right to talk shit about men or to talk shit about female for this thing, because female tend to talk about females, okay, and there is a lot of confusion when it comes to feminism because it is being misused. Honestly, the whole concept is being misused by females, by males, but that doesn't mean feminism is wrong.
Yes.
It is equal to equality.
What is it? Bus में there is a section for women to sit, and
Huh.
there are people who say, why do you have that? Arey, that's only because we bleed sometimes. We, sometimes we need the
Carry
space
a
to
baby
think.
inside.
Yeah, we carry a baby inside. That's the only reason. I mean, people say कि अगर तुम लोग equality की बात करते हो तो तुम लोग वो सीट के लिए क्यों मरते हो? हम मर नहीं रहे वो सीट के लिए. It's just that we have our own problems that way, like that time of the month, and we want to sit, we need a comfortable space to sit in that bus. And I nowhere believe that we should bash men, because I have come across such beautiful men in my life, like including you both, because I am very happy that you guys are,
Oh,
talking about. Yeah. I want to really
Honestly.
appreciate Hitesh and Abhinav, that you guys are talking about this. We have,
Thank you.
you guys are setting an example. I really
Yeah.
like it, and I I look forward to more men like this. जो आके बात करे इन चीजों के बारे में. It's lovely. So yeah, I I don't believe in feminism that way. I mean, if it's equal, it's the best.
Yeah. That's it. That is feminism.
और जो इसको मिसयूज करते हैं वो बहुत गलत है.
I know, yaar.
उनके वजह से हम लोग गाली खाते हैं.
Because
Exactly.
there are, I know, just because few people are misusing it, सच में बोलने के लिए भी डर लगता है कि I'm a feminist, because it is taken in a bad manner sometimes. But I'm not afraid of saying that I'm a feminist. I am a feminist. I believe in equality, and that is why I'm a feminist.
ये तो वो मीम्स है
Basically,
ना, वो मीम्स है ना कि feminist when they see that that word menstruation starts with men.
yeah, yeah.
Oh my
So,
god.
How much you agree on this statement that why am I born as a girl? Do you guys have you guys thought of it?
I
the
have.
main reason behind this is asking this question is basically because somewhere the women in my life, the women in my life, I have, say, my mother or my wife. Even my wife says, "Ki तुम I want the same partner next अगले जन्म में I want same partner, but I should be husband, you should be a wife." मतलब this is how she says basically.
Wow.
तो मतलब somewhere somewhat ये एक चीज है.
So I feel it is a phase. Okay, so it was a phase in my life. So when I use the word tomboyish, I use it because I tried to imitate guys. Okay, it was a phase. So I
Anjali,
used
you
to
were
feel
Anjali.
कि लड़का, huh?
You were
Yeah,
Anjali.
Anjali. But I don't think Anjali tried to imitate guys. It was her nature. So okay,
Yeah.
there is a difference. Okay, so I after I had that phase and I loved the way I am, then I loved the fact that I am a woman. Okay, when I reached that phase, that is when I chopped my hair like complete boycott, like यहाँ वहाँ side में से full line and full boycott किया था, and that was not my tomboy phase. That was not my tomboy phase. My tomboy phase was before, when I was trying to imitate a guy. Like I was trying to like, I used to see my guy friends and I used to try to walk like them. And then I used to try to talk like them, because I was like, boys have, like, I used to love the games they play. Like, may it be car racing, may it be cricket, football. I love playing football. And the thing is, I used to be like, मुझे भी खेलना है, but मुझे कोई टीम में नहीं लेता था. So I was like, okay, probably if
अभिनव को तो अभी भी
it's not a girl
नहीं
problem
team
now.
में. Still don't consider him in our team.
So I was like, maybe if I become like them, I have a chance to go into their team and all that. So अगर ये मुझे काश तभी पता चलता कि तुझे भी टीम में नहीं लेते, तो okay, things would have been different probably. So yeah, so it's a phase, I think, and I've met many girls who felt like, यार हाँ ना यार, periods का भी कुछ चक्कर नहीं था, जो चाहिए पहन सकती थी, घर पे shirtless घूम सकती थी, तो लड़का होते तो कितने मजे यार उनके, गर्मी में भी मजे and all that. तो वो एक phase था, but then girls होने के भी अलग फायदे हैं. चलो टी-शर्ट उतार के नहीं घूमते, but we also have different ये वो and all that. So there is this thing, what you choose and what you feel you want, and if you can do it, then do it. So I think that's a phase, and that's fine if any of the girls watching this have it, or you guys feel कि मुझे लड़की नहीं होना चाहिए था, or you guys feel कि शी मैंने तभी क्यों सोचा. It's fine यार, like होता है.
मुझे भी एक्चुअली ये फील हो चुका है, एंड छोटे छोटे इंसिडेंट्स ही होते हैं लाइफ के जो हमें ये फील कराते. देयर इज नो मेजर इंसिडेंट लाइक दैट, बट as I said about the train incident, that I had to like cut down on my clothes, like no sorry, increase the size of my clothes, not cut down. So I had to do that because I'm traveling in train. So I felt काश मैं लड़का ही होता, कुछ भी पहन के निकल जाता, निकर में निकल जाता, मैं बरमूडे में निकल जाता कॉलेज. I used to say that.
But I would die if I had to go into a men's compartment in the train.
Oh my God. This has happened to me.
Last thing I want to do. एक तो
I
पहले
don't
हाथ
want
में
to go
फंसता.
only.
दूसरे सब मेरे मुंह को ब्लॉक करके खड़े हुए हैं यहाँ पर. And oh my God, it is, oh shit, last thing.
Oh,
And
Hitler-
There's always
Hitler
one
को
guy in
जब
the compartment. हाँ बोलिए.
क्या ऐसे?
There's always one guy in the compartment who's safeguarding a girl, okay?
मैं हूँ रखवाला.
मैं हूँ रखवाला.
तो वो जो हिटलर को जो कंसंट्रेशन कैंप का जो आइडिया आया था, वो बेसिकली शायद he might have gone traveled through local train, तब उसको समझा होगा कि हाँ मैं ये कर सकता हूँ.
हमें लोगों को इतना ये
बहुत
तरीके से
इंटेलेक्चुअल था ये.
बहुत
मेरे
ये वे में
भावनाएं को
टॉर्चर
तेज
कर
पहुंच
सकता है.
सकती है.
हाँ सॉरी टीटू,
हाँ,
वो वाला मीम.
तो दूसरा
Okay.
Okay, there are few more incidences. Jaise she mentioned football. Okay, there's another common thing, Richa. I was the captain of my football team. We had this girls football team थी. वो टीम बनाने के लिए इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ है ना. गर्ल्स के लिए पहले तो we thought के sir we want to come up with a football team for girls. Okay, that was only the problem. मतलब
मेरे
कैसे
स्कूल में तो
बनाएंगे?
हुआ ही नहीं, एंटरटेन ही नहीं किया उस बात को.
एंड सबसे वर्स्ट तुम लोगों ने भी किया होगा ये हितेश और अभिनव. कोई लड़की क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए आती थी तो उसको सबसे एंड में बैटिंग दे के इंटर बनाया.
नहीं, मैं तो लड़की के साथ खेला नहीं हूँ कभी क्रिकेट, बट अभिनव वाज दैट वन इन माय केस.
नो नहीं, मेरा कैसा होता था, मुझे खुद नहीं लेते थे टीम में जब मैं नीचे खेलने जाता था.
क्यों, तूने क्या किया सच बता, अभी तो जानना है.
You played very bad or what?
No, I was never a good player. Like whenever I used to play, I was not that good player. But I used to see कि लड़कियां आती थी खेलने पर, मेरे को है ना उनका बैट पकड़ने का स्टाइल बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद आता था. The way they used to hold the bat, I used to laugh कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं इन लोग. At least मेरे को उतना तो आता है. So women empowerment, how much do you think that it is not restricted to only clothes? Like मैंने बहुत ऐसी लड़कियों को देखा है जिनको लगता है कि मुझे कपड़े पहनने दे दो, मुझे empowerment मिल गया. I am empowered.
Nowhere near to. No. There are girls who wear like long dresses and covered clothes and they are empowered. I think these are two different things, yaar. It is short kapde पहनना is एक तो choice. सबको नहीं पहनना पसंद है short कपड़े. तो वो एक choice है. And second thing, वो fashion है. मुझे आज पहनना है, कल नहीं पहनना है. मतलब अगर मैंने आज फुल कपड़े पहने, मतलब आज के लिए मैं empowered नहीं हूँ और कल मैं empowered हूँ. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. So empowerment is completely different. You getting to wear your choice of clothes, वो बहुत ही अलग है. Empowerment is knowing what your rights are, knowing what is wrong, and having courage because you have the knowledge. So it is completely different.
It's only when you are confident from within, when you are motivated, when you're driven, and when you have the courage, that's when you're empowered.
से virtual assault, ठीक है, जो digital, जो social media पे you guys usually face, you guys, मतलब ऐसा कुछ इंसिडेंट जो अभी तो अगर तुमने नॉर्मलाइज कर लिया, पहले बहुत बार हुआ है तो अभी हमें कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. और creep sliding in your DM in some way which had really बहुत तुम थोड़े mentally unstable हो गए थोड़े टाइम के लिए, like not physically, just like virtually digital world में, social media or something. Just share any one experience जो होता है usually.
और ये होता नहीं है क्या? Is it normal?
होता है.
And how often?
इतना होता है अभिनव,
कितने?
ये इतना होता है कि एक पल के बाद हमें लगता है ये तो नॉर्मल है यार, ये तो होता ही रहता है. ये एक लाइफस्टाइल बन गया है. It's that normal.
Part
So,
and parcel of social media.
Exactly, this happened with me when I recently came on Facebook. I was 16 or 17. I don't remember the age properly. So there was a man, I don't remember his name, I think David or something. Yeah. He used to continuously message me. I never texted him back because it's my choice. मुझे उसको reply नहीं करना था. तो एक दिन उसने ऐसे message किया, I have a surprise for you. So I still did not reply to him because I didn't want any sort of conversation with that man. Then he's suddenly sending me his private padka photos. And as a child, I was shook. I felt so dirty in my head. I was scared. I was so scared that I didn't even tell my parents. You know why? Because I thought I must have done something wrong in that age. So मैं बहुत डर गई थी उस टाइम पे. एंड अभी तो ऐसा कुछ इंसिडेंट होता है तो I will just file a complaint. I'll do anything that's possible. So yes, this is very common. It keeps happening, and I just block people right now. And that time also I blocked that man. But then yeah, I got pretty scared at that time. और ऐसे बहुत सारे और छोटे-छोटे incidents हैं, but बहुत majorly मुझे यही एक चीज याद है.
Basically, it did not happen with me. It happened with one of my friends. So there was a guy who is unknown, completely unknown. He started messaging her. She did not reply back, and then this guy started video calling her. And after a certain point of time, it became too much. Like this guy is continuously video calling her, and she messaged saying, "Ki don't do, I'll block you." He just did not respond in a positive manner. He started video calling again. And she blocked him, and this guy messaged her with another account abusing her. He even put a price to her body and all those things. And the point is, when she narrated the whole thing, she was like, I felt numb in the start. I felt dirty. I felt like I want to take a bath immediately. But then I was like, छोड़ यार, अभी ये सब देखने जाएगा तो कैसे जिएंगे, kind of. तो I was like कि छोड़ मत इस बात को, because इतना normal हो चुका है ये कि अभी हम लोग को फर्क नहीं गिर रहा. And just because हम लोग को फर्क नहीं गिर रहा है, वो बंदे को confidence मिल रहा है कि ये बंदी ने मेरा कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा, अभी मैं और बंदियों के साथ करूंगा, यहाँ नहीं तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे जो चाहिए वो मिल जाएगा. सो दैट इज
Correct.
नॉट डन. वी हैव टू स्टॉप इट देन एंड देयर. तब जाके वो आगे सोचेगा. रिपोर्ट करो, कुछ तो करो, बट डोंट जस्ट बी साइलेंट अबाउट इट.
Correct.
So let's choose next question. एक question था ये बहुत important in the sense. So एक question will form and then I'll tell you what this question actually means. Will men be men? ठीक है, ये जो टर्म है men will be men. तो इन द ये हम लोग क्या इसमें बताना चाहते हैं कि not कुछ gender discrimination, not pointing on men's gender. Thought wise. जैसे ये कैंपेन जो मेन विल बी मेन कैसा कैंपेन है कि तुम कुछ कितना भी कर लो, आदमी का थॉट आदमी जैसा ही रहेगा. एक आदमी का थॉट ऐसा पिछड़ा होगा कि स्टेयरिंग गर्ल्स जैसा बेसिकली व्हाट दे शो इन एड्स. आई थिंक समवेयर डाउन द लाइन वी नीड टू चेंज दैट कि नहीं, ये आदमी की बेसिक थॉट्स नहीं है. दिस इज रॉन्ग टू सम एक्सटेंट. So ये जब मैं और अभिनव डिस्कस कर रहे तो हम लोग के दिमाग में भी है कि हाँ, मतलब बेसिकली वी वर नॉट एबल टू फ्रेम दिस क्वेश्चन वेल. मतलब कैसे फ्रेम करें, क्योंकि विल बी मैन का ऐसा होता है ना कि लोग एक तो पहले बोलेंगे कि तू क्या मर्दानगी पे पॉइंट कर रहा है. नो, हम लोग मर्दानगी पे नहीं, जस्ट विल मैन थॉट वाइज कि मैन के थॉट वैसे ही रहेंगे क्या, इन वही लाइन में आते हैं कि तो ऐसा नहीं है.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
मैं और अभिनव मैं और अभिनव भी ऐसा सोचते हैं बहुत बार कि नहीं, ये चीज लोग जो आदमी नॉर्मली हर बार सोचते आते नहीं, ये हमारे लिए गलत है. तो ये हम लोग दोनों नहीं सोचते कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर इफ अ वुमन इज अलोन इन अ लिफ्ट, सो वी शुड नॉट स्टेयर हर, शी विल फील अनकंफर्टेबल. तो ये बेसिक जो मैनर्स जो होते हैं, ये एक ऐसा लोगों ने बताया कि नहीं, ये मेन वाले थॉट्स रखना इज वेरी कूल कि भाई नहीं, आदमी है मैं तो यही सोचूंगा. So that is what what do you guys think about it?
और ऐसा है कि seeing those ads, we have also like enjoyed it and हम लोग ने ताली दी एक दूसरे को, हमने भी enjoy किया है वो. पर कैसा है कि वो चेंज होना चाहिए अब. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग हमेशा से एकदम परफेक्ट थे कि नहीं ऐसा सोचना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं था. हम लोग we have also made mistakes and we are changing.
Right. Honestly, I feel now the whole concept men will be men कहाँ से आया is society. Okay. क्योंकि जैसा हितेश ने पहले बोला था कि कोई लड़का ऐसा कर रहा है, अगर वो नशे कर रहे हैं तो इट लाइक अरे लड़के यार, ये उम्र में तो होता ही है, थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा खुद समझ जाएगा. So लड़के तो लड़के होते हैं. That thing first. Now second is when you see कि females are expected. So I've heard this thing कि when you are searching for a guy, don't go for looks, because लड़के तो एक बार बुढ़ा हो जाएंगे, फिर वो लोग टकले हो जाते हैं एंड लास्ट में सिर्फ पैसा रहता है. ठीक है. एंड whereas girls have to be in shape और कोई शादी नहीं करेगा and all those things. तो वो इसमें रहती कि लड़के का वो मत देख रहे, देख वो कमा रहा है ना, बस और क्या चाहिए, कमा रहा है, अच्छा बिहेवियर है, बस उतना देख, वैसा लाइक. So it's not like थॉट देख, मेंटालिटी देख, नहीं. men will be men का कुछ अलग ही सीन चल रहा है उधर, पता नहीं, बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजों में उसको इंक्लूड किया जाता है. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट थिंक दैट men in general think like that. It is a concept जो सोसाइटी ने men पे इम्पोज किया है. एंड आई फील मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द men don't stand to it, don't stick to it. वो जबरदस्ती का बताया कि अरे वो गुस्सा हो गया, अरे मर्द है ना, गुस्सा तो आएगा ही उसको. क्यों? वो इंसान है, गुस्सा आ गया, वैसे बोलो. मर्द है तो गुस्सा आ गया. हाउ डज दैट मेक एनी सेंस? सो इट इज नॉट. आई फील इट्स वेरी फनी यार, लाइक men will be men. एंड वो जो एड को भी लाइक इट इज सपोज्ड टू बी टेकन इन एंटरटेनमेंट वे, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो एक एंटरटेनमेंट का लाइन क्रॉस हो जाता है एंड वो सोसाइटी पे वो इम्पोज हो जाता है वो चीज.
It plays really big role in influencing people basically.
Yeah.
कुछ भी content basically ऐसा होता है जो भी देखते हैं वो हम सीखते हैं. Say
right.
even not just content wise, even अभी what I see in my dad, I have it in me.
Yeah.
बड़े भाई
Yeah.
बड़ा भाई जैसा होता है वैसे ही छोटा भाई उसको देख देख के वैसा होता है. So basically जो देखता है वो there are few brands like doing really great in मतलब in spreading awareness. तो मतलब ऐसा होना चाहिए. Entertainment and all that is fine. Start में regarded as a great marketing campaign or advertising campaign बहुत सही होता है. But after a point of time, when you think about it, just as Abhinav said, even we have made many mistakes, such mistakes, and maybe we will do in future. But it's important to realize and to change.
So guys, summing it up all, I would like to ask that how much you think everything begins at home. सब कुछ जो है वो घर से शुरू होता है. जितना भी हमने डिस्कस किया, ये अगर घर से सही हुआ तो सही हो सकता है.
So I definitely think start from home only, क्योंकि घर हमारी लाइफ का सबसे इंटेग्रल पार्ट है. एक्चुअली हमारी लाइफ में हमारा घर ही है, कुछ भी होता है हम घर ही लौट के आते हैं. तो घर से तो शुरुआत होती है इन चीजों की. साथ में डिपेंड ये भी करता है कि हमारे आसपास हम कैसे लोगों के साथ उठ रहे हैं, बैठ रहे हैं. क्योंकि यार नो पेरेंट विल tell his or her child to give rape threats to somebody on the internet personally. No parent will do that. So it also depends on the kind of people you're surrounded with. And I really feel sad for those parents, who tried their best to give a nice upbringing to their children, but then eventually children fail that way. So it starts from home, but also depends upon your surrounding. So that's how I feel.
So yeah, like Dhwani said, so it depends. See, the foundation of what you are taught at home is taught at home. Why is it so rhyming? Okay. So whatever you are taught at home, it is always it always has deep roots in your mind. So if you taught the right thing, it is always it is it is an advantage, because when you go out there into the world, you already know what is right. Okay, but when you're already thought something which is not right, when you go outside, you have two choices: either stick to what you know, what you believe. Second thing, make changes to your wrong beliefs. Now we are humans, we are prone to change. Like, we can change. That is one of our superpowers. So when you know that, okay, what you have been learning all this while is something wrong, to change it will definitely take time, but it is not impossible. So you cannot grow up and complain कि मुझे तो यही सिखाया था. Okay, ठीक है, तुझे ये सिखाया था, but अभी तू क्या कर रहा है? Are you trying to change it? Are you trying to learn the right thing? That is what matters. So yeah, वो घर से सब शुरू होता है, but it does not end there. It just starts. It's just the beginning. You decide how you want to end that thing.
So I would like to share one incident from my childhood. Like it was I was, I guess, in 3rd or 4th standard, and there was a Raksha Bandhan celebration in the school. So my mom had given me chocolates to give it to the girl who will tie me the Rakhi. So what happened was, I gave it to her, and then I didn't realize that it is for her. I thought she'll give it to me also, and she didn't. She ate it. So I hit her.
Oh my God.
I was fuming, and I hit her. And then I came and told this whole incident to my mom, and my mom was like, "No, you are not supposed to touch the girl." मतलब लड़कियों को हाथ नहीं लगाना चाहिए, ऐसा मुझे सिखाया. So for a small kid, when his mom tells him something like this, कि अच्छा लड़कियों को हाथ नहीं लगाना है, that stuck to my mind. Sorry, it was like अच्छा, okay, मुझे ये करना है.
Period.
Yeah. So guys, this was really fun. Like, I didn't expect to have so much fun in this discussion. It was a very nice podcast.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. Also, thank you so much, Dhwani and Richa, for joining us. 2 घंटे चले गए, पता नहीं चला, पता नहीं वीडियो में कितना जाने वाला है. But it was like
घंटे हो
great.
गए?
Yes. It was. It's almost, I guess, more than almost an
1 hour
almost 2
52
hours.
minutes. Yeah.
Ritu,
Yeah.
agar if we can learn so much about a girl's life in 2 hours,
Exactly.
imagine like if they have been taught since the childhood, how much they can learn.
Yeah. Both
Oh,
ways.
that's what I've said. As we discussed, that change is must. So I will try my best as a guy to not discriminate in any sense. Like the girls around me and like me and both Abhinav, whatever we have learned, we'll try to bring some change. Whatever we did, we try to give our best in this case. Whatever in future, we'll try to make a change. Like as we discussed, everything begins at home. So we'll start from ourselves and we'll share with our friends as well. And yeah, so thank you so much for teaching. And yeah, that's it. और
No,
बाकी तो
actually,
अभी देखो.
we should thank you guys because और हम लोगों ने कुछ
Exactly.
teach नहीं किया है. We have not taught you anything. You
It was
guys
a
were already
conversation.
aware. You guys were already aware of these things.
Right.
That's the reason why you came up with this idea of podcasting and then reaching out to people with this kind of a conversation. So I feel that you guys are setting an example in the society.
Yeah.
Oh,
I feel many
Thank
might
you
be
so much.
thinking कि ये करना है, ऐसा कुछ करना है, but you guys actually did it.
They
So
did,
सोचना
yeah.
सब लोग, you guys did it. So it is amazing, and I'm really glad I could be a part of it. I could meet Hitesh and Dhwani. Like you guys are like someone new.
And-
I haven't known you all before. Abhinav I
Yeah.
knew earlier, but then it was really like it was so much, and I got to know what you guys had in your minds and what you guys been through in your childhood and how your mother taught you that. And it is amazing. It was really so much fun. Okay, so guys, it was an amazing amazing podcast by Hitesh and Abhinav. I'm really glad to be a part of it. I think you guys should like,
share and subscribe.
Okay, we're gonna do it again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Like, share, and
subscribe. और
Thank
तुम
you so
लोगों ने
much,
अगर
guys.
इसको लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया ना तो तुम लोगों को मैं पकड़ के मारेगी. हाँ हेतल बेन बोली छू.